Hey everyone, we're going to evaluate the integral here, given, and we're using integration by parts. The formula we're going to use is this one, and it's useful since we are using this formula to use this pattern to fill this out. So the first thing you have to do is choose U. And the way to choose U is to use this mnemonic device, LIATE, LIATE, and just use this in this order. So the first thing we have is an algebraic expression. So that's going to be your U. The second thing we have is the second expression is trigonomic. And so that's going to be everything else. Everything else, therefore, is just going to be dv. So let's fill that in. Our U is x minus 1. And everything else is sine of pi x dx. Now, take the derivative of U, which is just going to be dx, because the 1 goes away. And the antiderivative of sine of pi x is going to be negative 1 divided by pi cosine pi x. And then we're just simply going to fill in, use our formula. So this equals u times dv, so x minus 1 times a dv, which is sine, no, we're using this one, times v, which is, I'm going to put cosine of pi x. I'm going to go ahead and put this piece in front. So that's going to be negative 1 divided by pi. All right, minus the integral of v again, so negative 1 divided by pi cosine pi x dx for your du, which is dx. Now, all we need to do basically is look at that integrand there, integrand, and let's write this, negative 1 divided by pi x minus 1 cosine pi for x. Now, to take the antiderivative of this, you're going to get, I'll write it over here, it's going to end up being, this is positive, so let's just make that, pull that out positive. And when I do this, I'm going to get 1 divided by pi squared sine pi x plus c. And that would be your final answer. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.